Welcome to my YouTube channel kinky.ke. My name is Miriam. Today I'm going to talk about a topic that is dear to my heart. It's about money and natural hair and just how to take care of your hair on a budget. I know that some of you belong to the school of thought that you don't have to spend a ton of money on your beauty and natural hair care, and also some of you may be students who don't have the money to spend on products and all those things. So I'm going to give you 5 tips and a bonus tip, of course, to help you figure out how to take care of your hair on a budget. So the first tip is to dilute your products. I mean, you should dilute your conditioner and your shampoo. So you can use a separate container other than the one that the shampoo was bought in, and just add 2 parts of the shampoo, 1 part of water. So when you dilute your products, you will stretch them for a longer period of time, and thus you will be able to use less product. Also, when you dilute your shampoos, your conditioner, it will be effective for low porosity girls who don't have to use thick products in order for products to be absorbed in their hair. Because low porosity, one of the characteristics of low porosity hair is that products tend to sit on their hair. So when you dilute your products, they will be broken down into fewer smaller particles that will be able to penetrate your hair, and thus will be able to moisturize your hair. Also, for people who have fine hair and just thin hair, watery product is better for you than just using thick products that are going to sit on your hair. Number 2 is to buy a product that can be used for more than one step in your hair care regimen. What I mean is that you can buy a product that can serve you as a leave-in conditioner and also can be used as a deep conditioner. Also, you can buy a product that can serve you as a conditioner, as a regular rinse-out conditioner, also as a deep conditioner. This is very important because you're going to use fewer products in order to keep on in your hair care regimen. So just when you're going to buy your products, look for products that are written on leave-in/deep conditioner or rinse-out conditioner/deep conditioner. That way you're going to use less product in your wash day routine, okay? Third tip is to use water as your moisturizer. Water is the #1 moisturizer for our hair. So instead of buying those products that claim to be moisturizing, just use water and add a humectant like honey, aloe vera gel, aloe vera juice, glycerin to it, and also you can add rose water to it to make it more moisturizing, because the humectants will draw water to your hair and thus make it moisturizing. So instead of buying those moisturizing products that may not work for you, just use water, distilled water, which will work as well, very well in moisturizing your hair. So the 4th tip is to buy local products. We all know that local products are way cheaper than international products because of various reasons. One of them is that the local people, they source their products here in Kenya from farmers here in Kenya, and of course it will be way cheaper because international brands, they come here in Africa, in Kenya, they buy our raw materials, they go back with it to their countries, they bottle the raw materials, they send them back to Kenya, and then they charge you 3 times the price, and also even 4 times. So it's better for you to just buy local products because they will be way cheaper. Another tip, the 5th tip I think, is to stretch your wash days. I mean, you should just, if you wash your hair once a week, you can stretch your wash days to 10 times, to washing your hair after 10 days or 14 days. That way, you're going to be washing your hair twice a month. In turn, you'll be washing your hair less times a year, and you'll be spending less product in your wash day routine. Okay, the last tip is to DIY your products. It's very fulfilling to me as a person when I make my own product from scratch. When I make my leave-in spritz, my deep conditioner, my oils, it makes me happy because I know what exactly is going to my hair. I don't have to worry about the parabens, all those mineral oils, and all those bad ingredients that may not work for our hair. So when you DIY your product, you're going to use less money because these things are easily available in Africa, in Kenya, and so you'll end up using less money in your wash day routine. So if you want to see me DIYing things here and there, just comment below and tell me what you want to see me DIYing, and also to give you tips on how to make your DIYs last long, and to make them work for your hair. So that is all, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video was really helpful and insightful for you to, and inspiring for you to just start, and don't worry about this natural hair thing, because it is cheap and it is just affordable. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. Share this video and tell your friends to come and watch this video. Also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye, guys.